Good morning, students. So, in my last lecture, there is a question. Write down, calculate the number of electrons constitute 1 coulomb of charge. Means to say that कितने number of electrons मिलकर एक coulomb charge बनाएंगे. So here let's try to find out the answer. Now beta, you already know that charge on one electron, charge on one electron, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. In other words, if I say इतना चार्ज है तो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हो जाएंगे. मीन्स टू से दैट 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 कूलम चार्ज है तो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हो गए 1. सो इफ चार्ज इज 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, then number of electrons, then number of electron is equal to 1. Now we have to find for 1 coulomb. We have to find for 1 coulomb. So here 1 coulomb. चार्ज कितना हो गया अब इस प्लेस पे 1 coulomb. If charge is 1 coulomb, then number of electrons, then number of electrons, that is equal to 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 into 1. Now let's try to find out बेटा. अब इस पावर को क्या करेंगे ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, that becomes positive. Means to say that we are left with 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power 19. Now this power become positive. Now next step बेटा, इसका डेसिमल रिमूव करते हैं ताकि कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाए. इसका डेसिमल रिमूव किया, इसका 10 भी क्या हुआ रिवर्स होके ऊपर चला गया. That becomes 1 into 10 raised to power 19 into 10 raised to power 1, और you already write 10 upon क्या हो गया बेटा 16. Now you are left with 1 into 10 raised to power 20 upon 16. Now 10 raised to power 20 बेटा as it is है, 1 को 16 से डिवाइड करते हैं. 1 को 16 से क्या करते हैं डिवाइड, that is 0, here is again 0, decimal 1 0 more 1 0 here. Now 16 6 the 96, you are left with 4 again 0, 16 2s are 32, that are 8 again 0, 16 5s are 80. So you get 0.0625 into 10 raised to power 20. Now बेटा 2 डेसिमल में इस साइड पे रिप्लेस कर दूंगा. 2 decimal 1 2 means to say that you get 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18 electrons. 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18 electrons जब होंगे तो वो क्या करेंगे 1 coulomb चार्ज बनाएंगे. नोट डाउन. Okay, fine. Now बच्चे 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18 electrons constitute 1 coulomb of charge. Write down. So 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18 electrons constitute 1 coulomb of charge. So you can write that coulomb is a big unit of charge. Coulomb is a big unit of charge. Note down बच्चे. Okay, fine. ना बच्चे चार्ज की बात हो गई. अब चार्ज मूव भी करते हैं, चार्ज रेस्ट पे भी है. Means to say that charge are static and charge are also in the moving state. Means to say that flow. Charge can flow. On the basis of this, बच्चे electricity can be divided into two types. First one is your static electricity. Second is your current electricity. Static means क्या होता है बेटा? That is at rest. Means to say that इस केस में charges क्या हैं? Are at rest. Charges are at rest. Write down. Charges are at rest. On the other hand, current electricity जो है बेटा, in this case charges are move on. Means to say that charges are flowing. You can write charges are flowing. रेस्ट की बेटा मैंने एग्जांपल दी थी आपको. दैट इज प्लास्टिक स्केल, rub with small pieces of paper. Second, you can write second example, glass rod with silk cloth. Glass rod with silk cloth. Third, you can write it as, that is ebonite rod, that is with woolen cloth. Ebonite rod with woolen cloth. Now beta, by convention, charge on glass rod is positive. When you rub, charge on glass rod is positive, and charge on ebonite rod is negative. Charge on ebonite rod is negative. Now in this chapter basically we deal with the current electricity. We basically deal with the current electricity. Write down बच्चे. Okay, fine. नेक्स्ट टर्म आती है बच्चे आपकी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट that is represented by symbol I. सिंपल डेफिनेशन क्या है बेटा इसकी? दैट इज rate of flow of charge, rate of flow of charge with respect to time. Now from here you can write down the formula, that is flow of charge with respect to time. So we can write it as I is equal to Q by T. And from here you can derive the unit of current. Now बेटा चार्ज का यूनिट क्या होता है? कूलम. And टाइम का यूनिट सेकेंड. So current, unit of current is ampere. So 1 ampere को डिफाइन करने के लिए you can write 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. 1 coulomb upon 1 second. ये तो बात थी बच्चे करंट की डेफिनेशन की, रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. नाउ बच्चे यहां पे आता है कि एम्पियर क्या है. Definition of unit of current, that is also a question in your book. Define unit of current. यहां पे बेटा कंफ्यूजन मत करना. अगर सिंपल आ जाए कि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट डिफाइन करो तो आप क्या डिफाइन करोगे? रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. बट अगर आ गया कि डिफाइन यूनिट ऑफ करंट, सो हेयर यू डिफाइन 1 एम्पियर. सो 1 एम्पियर को क्या डिफाइन कर सकते हैं बेटा? दैट इज 1 एम्पियर इज इक्वल टू चार्ज flows through the circuit is 1 coulomb in 1 second. That current is said to be 1 ampere. Or we can write it as when charge of 1 coulomb, note down, okay. Or we can write it as define the unit of current, that is ampere. 1 ampere. So when 1 coulomb of charge flows through the circuit, in 1 second. In 1 second, that current is said to be 1 ampere. That current is said to be 1 ampere. Note down बच्चे. Now for the numerical purpose बच्चे आपका फॉर्मूला है I is equal to Q by T. अब यहाँ पे चार्ज की वैल्यू गिवन है, टाइम की वैल्यू गिवन है. यू कैन फाइंड करंट. सपोज चार्ज की वैल्यू हम ले लेते हैं Q, दैट इज 2 कूलम. टाइम ले लेते हैं 2 सेकेंड. सिंपल एग्जांपल लेता हूं. यू हैव टू फाइंड द करंट. सो I is equal to Q by T, that is 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1 ampere answer. Now बच्चे second formula you can derive Q is equal to IT. Q is equal to IT. T इस तरफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे चला दो. नाउ करंट की वैल्यू गिवन है. सपोज I is equal to 2 ampere. टाइम गिवन है 2 सेकेंड. So Q is equal to IT. You can write it as 2 into 2. That is 4 coulomb. Now if you have to find time, then formula becomes T is equal to Q by I. अब अगर बच्चे Q दिया हो, चार्ज की वैल्यू दी हो मतलब 3 कूलम, करंट दिया हो 3 एम्पियर, you have to find T. So T is equal to Q by I. T is equal to Q by I. T इधर चला गया, I Q के नीचे आ गया. So Q की वैल्यू आपको गिवन है 3 कूलम अपॉन 3. So टाइम कितना आ गया बच्चे? That is 1 second. These are the three formulas for the numerical purpose. First one is I is equal to Q by T. Second is Q is equal to IT. Third one is T is equal to Q by I. Basically हम इस फॉर्मूले पे ही ज़्यादा डिपेंड है. I is equal to Q by T और Q is equal to IT. नोट डाउन बच्चे. ओके. In the next lecture beta, we are discuss the term electric potential, and potential difference. So थोड़ा सा बेटा इसको एनसीईआरटी बुक से सेल्फ रीडिंग करना. आफ्टर दैट वी डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एंड potential difference. I hope you will understand my lecture. So if you like my lecture, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Prosperous Academy. Thank you and have a nice day. Good day.